Hello everyone, today I'm going to be taking you guys around this 1999 Suzuki Carry truck. This one has got an automatic transmission, it is four-wheel drive, and it is a turbocharged model. A pretty rare combination of features, and add on top of that, this one is also equipped with AC. So this is overall a pretty rare spec on a Suzuki Carry. Let's go ahead and take a look around. As you can see, looking around, the paint is in pretty good condition. Obviously, it's not going to be perfect given the age of the truck, but overall, it is actually pretty dang good. An easy way to tell these turbo models apart, typically from a non-turbo model, is if they have the under-bed storage boxes there. Turbos got them, non-turbos didn't. Again, that is typically the case. Obviously, some people may have retrofitted the boxes onto their non-turbo models, but generally speaking, that is one easy, quick way to tell them apart without looking at the badging. Now, taking a look inside here, as you can see, everything is nice and clean all throughout here. Again, sorry about all the leaf blower noise, but no rust really anywhere on this chassis. The seat has been recently reupholstered with a higher quality material, so this one should last much longer without tearing or anything like that. But as you can see, overall, the interior is in pretty good condition. And as you can see there, dash is all in one piece, and you do got a funky little cup holder right here as well. Obviously, dash here is all pretty clean. Let me go ahead and put the key in. This one is coming to us with about 63.4 thousand kilometers on it, about 39.4 thousand miles. So pretty low mileage for a 27-year-old truck. And as you can see, like I said, it does have AC, does blow nice and cold. Very, very nice to have on warm summer days. And it is an automatic. It is a 3-speed automatic. And right here is your button to turn on your four-wheel drive. Everything in that department all works great. The transmission shifts great. And radio here, I believe it's just only an AM receiver, but nonetheless, nice to have all original equipment inside this truck. Now, hold on. Horn does work there, as you can see. And as you can see from this sticker right here, it has not too long ago had some maintenance done on it. With it due back at about 67.3 thousand kilometers. Right here you've got your info plaque with the engine code and color coded everything on there. And this is all your tire inflation specs in kilopascals and kilograms per centimeter squared there. If you do want to get access to the engine, you can lean this seat back forward like here, and then underneath undo those two latches there, and then the seat comes right up, giving you access to this side of the engine. The passenger seat lifts up the exact same way, just without having to move that seat back forward. You just lift the bottom of the seat up, and you get access to the left-hand side of the engine. So pretty easy to maintain and to access everything that you need to maintain yourself. Very nice little design done by Suzuki. Underneath the hood here, obviously you don't have engine access up here, but you do have various reservoirs such as your brake fluid, coolant, washer fluid, and everything like that, as well as your jack and the rod that's needed to bring the jack up. Coming on over to the passenger side, again, as you can see, door seals, all that nice, rust-free. Seals are all working very well, and the seat is in fantastic condition. This one is fully OEM, so as you can see, this is how the seat originally looked before we had it reupholstered with a stronger material. This older material that these carries came with sometimes doesn't hold up the best, so we obviously opted to get that one redone as it was already tearing. But as I said before, underneath here you do have your access, just a couple little latches right here, and the seat back The bottom will come right up, giving you access to the left-hand side of the engine. Very, very nice. Now, of course, just like every other K-truck, you can fold all these bed sides down flat like so. This one is held up by some chains. If you don't want them to hold down at this flat angle like so, you can undo them just like so, and they'll fold down about 180 degrees like so, depending on where you're loading the truck and if you need that extra few inches or not. I'm gonna go ahead and start up the Suzuki Carry now. As you can see, starts right up, no problem. I'm gonna go ahead and get all the lights turned on, show you guys that those all do work. As you can see, fender mirror or light there works, as well as the headlights, turn signals up at the front. All of them are working great. If we come around to the back, same story. Taillights, turn signals back here are all working as they should be. So if you or anyone else you might know needs a Suzuki Carry automatic turbo truck like this one, head on down to our Shoreline location located at 16017 Aurora Avenue North in Shoreline, Washington. We'll get you all hooked up with a K-truck or any of our other 200 plus JDM right-hand drive vehicles we've got in stock. If you want to take a look at some more pictures on this truck or any of our other vehicles, head on over to jdmcarmotorcycle.com. Find all of our contact information, all of the photos and specs on most of our inventory that we've got in stock, as well as en route. That includes as well JDM motorcycles as well, if that is more of your thing. Thank you for watching this walk around. I'll see you all with the next one. Have a fantastic day.